Hey guys, this is Travis again, and this video I'm going to share with you 5 tips to get website traffic fast. All right, so tip 1, use tags in conjunction with your keywords. Now, obviously, I'm assuming you've identified some keywords that you want to rank for in the search engine. So you're going to want to make sure that you're using these tags. For instance, a title tag. Title tags, they are basically the title of your website. And what's happening is the search engine spiders are actually looking for these tags because they give those spiders a clue as to what your page is about. An alt tag is associated with your images. And so all of your images are going to, if they have this alt tag, it makes the search engine spiders easily able to identify what those pictures are about. Same thing with header tags. Header tags are your H1 tags, your H2 tags, your H3 tags. And basically what that's doing is allowing those spiders to easily identify what that section of content is about on your site. And then your meta tags, again, this is where your keywords would show up to then assist those spiders to easily identify what your page is about. Tip 2, continually add content to your site. Now, this is kind of a no-brainer because, as you've always heard, content is king. You've heard it. It's kind of cliche, but yet it's so true. Like I said before, search engine spiders, it's their job to index new content. And so every time you post new content, typically what happens is your content management system, your CMS, or if you're using WordPress, it actually pings the search engines, and those spiders will actually come and see if you have new content. And when you do, that's a good thing because they'll crawl that content, they'll look for those tags, they'll identify it, and then they can actually index your site, and they can say, okay, this site is about these things. And then as you can combine all of these tips that I'm talking to you about, Google or Bing or Yahoo or the search engine is easily able to give you that, to identify that for you so they can rank you accordingly. New content is key, so you're going to want to do this as much as possible, every day if you can. But I think a minimum of 3 to 4 times a week you need new content when you're first starting out, for sure. Now, later as you gain in popularity, you have more traffic, it's not as crucial, but at the beginning, you definitely want to be posting as much as possible. Tip 3 here, procure quality incoming links. You've heard of the term backlinks. Well, that's what we're talking about here. You want to have a lot of backlinks, but you don't want to just have any backlinks because there's a lot of services out there that'll get you a bunch of yucky, just spammy links that don't really help. In fact, a lot of times, particularly with Panda and Penguin and all these new algorithms that particularly Google is coming out with, it can actually harm your site. So you want quality external links. Direct links. Direct links are links that are going to say www.yoursite.com. In-text links are going to say, I was looking at cat furniture the other day, and cat furniture is actually, your site, and it's a link to your site because you talk about cat furniture, and so they link to your site with an in-text link. And then internal links, otherwise referred to as deep links, are some links that are going to actually go to a page inside of your site that's a deep link, like yoursite.com/my favorite cat furniture items, or something of along that site, along those lines. And you want all of those types of different links because you want this link diversity, so the search engines really see that it's a natural thing, that this is just happening. And then you also want to make sure, and I don't have this on here, but you want to make sure that these links are coming from sites that are similar to yours. All right, tip 4, utilize advertising to gain exposure. Now, advertising doesn't have to break the bank. You've heard of PPC advertising. What PPC stands for is pay-per-click advertising. Google has pay-per-click advertising, but the new kid on the block recently is Facebook. Facebook's really been taking off with pay-per-click advertising. A lot of email marketers are using pay-per-click advertising on Facebook to build their list, and they're doing contests and giveaways and such things like that to actually build their email list so they can market to those people via email. So utilize advertise to gain exposure to your site and to gain traffic to your site. Doesn't have to be, a lot of money. You can actually get away with doing just a little bit, and if you can figure it out, it can be very, very, very lucrative. Tip number 5: be everywhere all the time. Building a community is key. It really is. Social media allows content to not only be spread organically, just with your friends and their friends, but then eventually it becomes viral and it can just take off, and you can get a ton of traffic that way. And then of course chat rooms and forums in your related fields are very, very good. You can become the expert by posting on these different places. If you don't know how to find a forum in your niche, just type in literally forum:/yourniche.com, or just go to Google and type forum:/your niche, and you'll get a list of all kinds of places that you can go log in. You can start building that community that really is key for you to build your online presence and gain traffic to your site. All right, got a bonus tip for you. Use YouTube. This video is a great example of what you can do. I'm going to actually post this on the page that I talk about these things on my site at rossummarketing.com. Then you can link the video in the description below, and you'll see that below. And it's just an easy backlink. It's a quality backlink. It's something that is relevant to the site. People that are watching this video are obviously interested in this particular topic, and so it makes sense. Then you can syndicate your video on other sharing sites. So it's a real easy and quick way to get a quality backlink, as well as provide quality content to people who are looking for it. All right, so you want more? Download my content creation checklist. I've got it on my site. This actual video has come from a post that's on my site, and at the bottom of that post, I've got a content creating checklist, so you can actually download this thing and you can edit it in Microsoft Word, and you can kind of check off the pieces as you create content, what you're going to do with it. You can also sign up at my site to get a free report on how to take advantage of the Pinterest phenomenon, and then of course subscribe to this channel to see when I upload new training videos, and leave a comment below to share your tips. I'd love to hear you. Again, I'm trying to build a community just like I've told you to do. So go ahead and do that. Hey, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And watch for a new training video to come out real soon.